Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make 3 fun fall drinks for 2020. It's still hot where we are, so I'm going to make these iced, but they're just as good hot. So I was tie-dyeing with my daughter over the weekend. I got some of the dye on my hand, so I'm just going to wear some gloves. I like to call this drink the almost apple pie. So we want to make our simple syrup by taking equal parts water and sugar and then bringing it to a simmer. Let's get started slicing our apples to about 1/16 of an inch thick or 2 to 3 millimeters. This will make sure that the apples are nice and crunchy instead of chewy. We want to dip our apples in a simple syrup and then rub it against the dish to take off any extra syrup that's on there. This will make sure that the apples stay nice and crunchy. Bake these at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. When we pull them out, they're going to be a little bit soft and pliable. Give them a couple minutes and they're going to firm up and get nice and crunchy. Here I have star anise, cinnamon, clove, and nutmeg, and I'm going to use a torch to toast it. It's not necessary, you can just do it in the oven if you want. And then we're going to break it up into little pieces to help pull out all the extra oils. Add it to our pot, add our unfiltered apple juice, and bring it to a simmer. When that's done, we're going to move on to our caramel. We're going to take 160 grams of sugar and 60 grams of water and just mix it together. Bring it to a simmer until it gets nice and golden brown. I like using a white spatula for this because you can really see the color of it. So you can tell right when it's nice golden brown. Then add your cream and your butter. At this point, you're turned off the heat. Just mix it all together until the butter is melted, and then a few turns of the sea salt and you're good to go. Onto the whipped cream, we want to take 25 grams of sugar, 130 grams of heavy cream, and just whisk it until we get medium to stiff peaks. Now to assemble the drink, we want to take our apple juice that we chilled, drizzle some of the caramel, add our fresh whipped cream, and we're going to top that with a little bit of fresh grated cinnamon. Then we want to add some donuts because why not? It's like a Bloody Mary for kids. Some apple chips, a little cinnamon, and then just top it all with some of that fresh caramel. Next we're going to make a dirty chai latte. We're going to mix some instant chai powder. It's got great flavor to it, some hot milk. And then we're going to mix it together and set it aside. Then we just need to pour the chai mix on top of our glass of crushed ice, and we're going to put some whipped coffee on top. I have a recipe for this in a video. I'm going to leave a link in the top right hand corner for this. I wanted to make my dirty chai latte extra decadent and fancy, so I just topped it with a sheet of gold leaf that I had laying around, and there you go. Next we're going to make a s'mores latte. Let's start by making a s'mores. Here I have half a cup of melted chocolate and half a cup of crushed graham cracker crumbs. We're just going to use this to dip the cup in and make a garnish, and then put it in the fridge to cool down. Fill our glass with crushed ice and hit the like button if you like nugget ice. Add our espresso and half. Top off the glass with some marshmallow fluff and toast it with the blowtorch. Drizzle some chocolate and sprinkle some graham cracker crumbs and top it with the s'mores. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment below if there's anything you want to see me make. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.